Introducing ChatGPT Canvas, the smarter way to create, edit, and perfect your content. With 5 powerful features: suggest edits, refine your drafts effortlessly, adjust the length, summarize or expand your text in seconds. Reading level, simplify or elevate your content to match any audience. Add final polish, perfect your grammar, tone, and style. Add emojis, make your writing fun and engaging with just a click. Whether you're drafting social media posts, professional emails, or creative content, Canvas is your go-to assistant for turning ideas into masterpieces.
Let's see how all these new features work. First of all, let's go to normal ChatGPT for writing an article, say on the topic of healthy routine. We can see that ChatGPT has written a good copy of the article that we asked it to write. But in this case, if we have to change any part of the article, the whole article gets edited and it becomes difficult to find the edited part. So, now when we go to Canvas and ask Canvas to write the article on the same topic, it definitely gives the same kind of article as normal ChatGPT does. But the features that make it distinguished from normal ChatGPT are the options that we have already discussed in this video earlier. If we have to edit a particular part of the article, we can go to the chat and ask ChatGPT to edit that particular part by highlighting it. We will only get that part edited instead of getting the whole article edited, which makes it easier and simpler for us. Similarly, this will work for all the new features.
In Adjust Lengths, we have a range of options available to change the length of a particular part of the article or the whole article as well. Then Reading Level has options of various levels including high school, college and other advanced levels. We can choose whichever suits us. The option of Add Final Polish gives final touches to the article to stand out and make it optimized further. Another interesting feature is Add Emojis. Now we can add emojis to make the article more attractive to the viewers by using ChatGPT Canvas. With ChatGPT Canvas, creating and refining your work has never been easier. Whether you're a writer, a coder, or a content creator, ChatGPT Canvas adapts to your needs and helps you achieve your best work. Try ChatGPT Canvas today and bring your ideas to life.